Hey guys, it's Andrew from Crafted Coast Tour Company here with a quick update on the last home brew that we did. If you look at the previous video, you'll see the process that I undertook to make this beer. So basically what I did was I bought a Murray's Pacific Pale Ale starter brew kit, and if you go and have a look at the other video, I'll run you through everything that I did in terms of the initial boil yeah, so basically what I've ended up with, the bottles have been bottle finishing in the garage for the last roughly 5 weeks. I tried one of the beers after 1 week and it was fantastic. So I decided to leave some bottles in there for another week or two. Had some friends around and we tried it and everyone loved it. So this one has actually been sitting there for a little bit longer finishing in the bottle. So I'm gonna open it for you guys today so you can have a look and see what we've come up with. So like I said in the previous video, I was going to dry hop this beer and I did, but the ferment was finished. Oops, and I added Mosaic, 50 grams of Mosaic and 50 grams of Taihiki hops to this brew kit. So the aroma is pretty good. I was really stoked with the smell straight away. Like even on the samples that I took, it's smelling really good. So we'll pour it into the IPA glass here. As you can see, really well carbonated, get a decent head on there. The head is normally somewhere between 2 and 3 fingers, which is amazing. I'm not sure with the lighting if you can see, but well carbonated, lots of bubbles. The aroma, it smells so good. It seriously smells like I've made a really good beer. I'm really happy with this. For a kit beer, you know, it's just amazing. So anyway, what have we got on the nose? Definitely your typical stone fruits that you get, phone up the nose, typical that stone fruit kind of aroma that you get from the New World Pale Ales. And the taste is quite surprising with the really fruity aroma that you get from the smell from this beer. You would expect to have that Stone and Wood Pacific Ale style, you know, passion fruit punch that you get when you drink it, but it's actually got a really malty backbone to it. I used dry malt extract. It was light pale malt extract, so I was kind of hoping that I'd get a little bit closer to that really fruity kind of flavor with the hops that I added. So it's still spot on. It's still a great beer. Like I could drink this all night. It's roughly, we worked it out somewhere between 4.8 to 5.2% ABV. Very drinkable, extremely tasty. And for our third beer, I'm over the moon with this. I'm going to work on the recipe a little bit. I want to try and develop it into an IPA using the hop ingredients that I've worked on for this one. And as I brewed the beer the same week that my nephew arrived, so I'm going to name the beer, once we've developed the recipe, it's going to finish up as the Parker Ray IPA. So this is the first prototype. It's just a pale ale, but the backbone for you know, a half decent IPA is there, I think. So it's back to the drawing board, and we'll try and work on this and keep you updated with how the recipe goes. If you guys want to let us know what you think we should brew next. We're tossing up between a dark beer. We're still in the tail end of winter here in Australia. Tossing up between a dark beer or working on an IPA. So let us know what you think. You guys, if you guys could let us know what you think we should do for our next brew, we'd be stoked. And yeah, if you are on the Gold Coast and you want to check out the local craft beer scene here, I do offer amazing guided craft beer tours. We visit Black Ops, Bolter, Burleigh, Fortitude, Lost Palms, Matic Brewing. There's a whole bunch of breweries here on the coast. We've put together 2 different packages. If you want to hear more about that, get in touch via the email, social media links in the video comments below. Until next time, guys, keep drinking good beer. Keep it local. Cheers.